Hello people, today I'm finally going to show you how to change Syma X5C new motor. I already did that with this one. This is that motor. It's not functioning. I tried with 1.5 volts battery, but this is that. I changed it and now the Syma is okay. It's functioning, but the other three motors are not so strong, they are weak. Now in this video first I'm going to open my Syma X5C and then I'm going to continue with another video when I'm going to change all that three motors with these new ones. Okay folks, I take out the camera, the two plastics that are found here. You can see battery and everything else, and has two bolts here, four here, here, here and here, and each side two are here and there. I take them out, you can see them, and now I'm going to open the Syma. It goes like this. And it's out. This is Syma. I also should remove these propellers and then these security plastics when I'm going to show you the next part in the video. Folks, I take them out. They look like this. I put them in the regular position to remember how to put them back, and this is how Syma now it looks. Now I'm going to change these covers. To do that, I should remove three bolts on each side. One is here and two are down there. Now I'm going to do that. Okay, I take out the two screws. All you need is to pull this up. This is the cover. This is just a piece of plastic. Put them aside. And this is the place when the motor is found. All you can do for taking out, just push down there and take it out. Okay, that's it. And next we should take this out with my, can you see how you call it this in English? I will tell this is gun, electric gun. It's out. Next we should take this dead motor aside like this, and we should take a new one from here. That's this one motor with black and white. This is the new one, and we should put him. We're going to put the new one in place. Okay, next, now the other one. It's successful, finally. I had some problems, sorry. Next we should do is to put this one back in place, like this. And we should make this something like this. Shorten distance. Okay, it is done here with the new motor. That's the thing, and now I'm going to change the other two, which I think they are dead motors. Back, but